All right, so I'm just going to show off quickly how to use this Unzip-Unlink GUI, which if you're interested in installing, you can see instructions at the end of the video. Essentially then, I'll just click this and click Run, and you'll have three options. You can either unzip files, you can unzip and unlink, or you can just unlink. So for this video, I already anonymized these patients, and then this is just a copy of the files that I'm going to anonymize or unlink. So click unlink MR folder. It's already here. Select that. And now essentially what it's doing is it is going to read through all these files and group them because they're currently just kind of all clumped in together. Now, also, if you're running this on files which are located in a network location, it'll warn you at this point that reading files from a network drive can take quite a while, and so it'll recommend that you copy them locally. Right. All right, so it's characterized them, and now it's just going to unlink all of those MR folders. Okay, and it's all done. So 303. Now what I'm going to do on this side next is I'm going to import these, but I'm going to pause the video because as soon as I click file, it'll show the recent patients in PHI. So I'm just going to pause here and then I'll hit play again once it's imported. Right, now that these have all been imported, I'm going to go over to contouring. And from here, we can see that the new MR images that have been imported are not linked to one another. Okay, so again, if you're interested in looking at how to download this, then just click on the link here. All right, and thank you very much.